It is, as the members of Fritz School describe it, it's a neighborhood, a dynamic place for kids and grown-ups, a living space, a storage space, a library space.
When we are hang out together, there is a lot of sharing, start from information, food, even knowledge or opportunity. That is school. That was school. All of them, when we are organized, it's a school. So that's what we bring here, the idea. Because we learn from neighborhood, we learn from people.
To get here was also very fascinating in terms of the mini majlis of Fritz School, where we got to meet like-minded kindred spirits and souls and practices from around the world to understand how we're going to operate within each other. And here we like to really emphasize how the common library is such an important and fantastic space of a coming together.
The decision of using the collective pot to build the Fritz School library, like they always looked at each other, like who can do what and how they can share.
So most of it has been on Zoom, working remotely, trying to learn about each other, trying to develop ideas together. It's been a really exciting time just to have this like window onto those projects and those people. I mean, most of us work around questions to do with education, and I think this is something we really want to learn from other practices as well.
Mostly people will come and see Documenta the first. They will come and see Friedrichianum. Mostly like Fried is still as a temple of of the Documenta itself. So how to decentralize these images is very important.
It is a museum, no? As you mentioned. So how could it's like an exercise in how a museum could become a commons, right? It's collectively managed and decided upon and open for everyone.
So people, whenever they come, even if it's like a new friends that we met and they want to learn or like hang out here, it's really open for them to share their knowledge with us, and we also will share our resource with them.
I think the essence of neighborhood is the sense of community and belonging, and that is something that has been a very central part of the process of participating in Documenta 15. So I'm actually very much excited about the 100 days, but also what happens beyond those 100 days, and what can we learn about meeting each other, developing close bonds or even friendship. But particularly, how can we come together and in a very natural way forming a form of social change. I mean, all of us have this sense of alternative ways of learning, but particularly what is the social impact of our knowledge in a positive way.
In a sense, the three main things that we'd like to speculate, experiment, exercise, and invite people is to do friends making, learn from your friends, and then self-organize.
Yeah.
And then it's our neighbor, so that's the whole process of Fritz School during 100 days. We need to make this as a home for the next 100 days, right? So that is that.